Having control over all fingers individually is a very important skill. What about controlling any two fingers at the same time? This may be a challenge at the beginning, but today's lesson is going to help you. The right hand pattern is very useful and can be practiced regardless of your current level. Put your hand on the piano like this. First finger on B, and the rest on the next white keys. So we have B, C, D, E and F. On the first level, we will be jumping between two positions. So at first play with finger 1 and 3, then raise your hand, and now play with fingers 2 and 4. And repeat. Try to focus on pressing both fingers at the same time. We don't want to sound like this. And now let's add fingers 3 and 5. These are the hardest. So let's start by fingers 1 and 3, then 2 and 4, and 3 and 5, and back. To make it sound a little better, we can always add some octaves to the left hand. So let's play C first, then A, F, and G. Okay, time for level 2. Now we want to get rid of the jumping. We want to play the same exercise as before, but with the legato. So all my fingers are on the keys, I play first position, and now I don't want to have any break in the sound when switching to the second position. So I release fingers 1 and 3 and press 2 and 4 at the same time. If you have never really practiced such patterns before, it may be really difficult to switch these positions with legato and press two keys at the same time without this double sound. So at the beginning, stick only to these two positions, and to sound better, use the octaves in the left hand. Spend some time here until you feel comfortable. Then add the last position, which is the hardest, with fingers 3 and 5. Okay, and now level 3. Let's build some nice sounding exercise using these few positions. So previously, with the left hand, I had an octave on C at the beginning. I will use it again, but now with additional note in the middle, G. And I will play these notes one by one. So C, G, C, G, and again C, G, C, G. The right hand will repeat for a few times 2, 4, 1, 3 positions, and then there will be 1, 3, 5. So the right hand starts with these eighth notes. So finger 2 and 4 together with the left hand, then 1 and 3 position alone, again 2, 4 with the left hand, 1, 3 alone, and from this point we play both hands together. Let's try all together. Next, right hand is the same, but left hand changes notes. So from C, G, C, we move to A, E, A. The pattern is the same. Then there is a slight change. Right hand is moved one white key to the right. So from this to this. But the pattern is the same. So we start with 2, 4 and 1, 3 positions. And then 3, 5. So exactly the same as before, but in different position. Left hand now goes to F, C, F. And in the end, right hand is the same, and left hand goes to G, D, G. And all together sounds like this. Being able to play these two notes patterns is a very important skill, so keep practicing and don't be discouraged if it's difficult at the beginning. It's really worth the trouble. Thank you for today and see you next time.